Have you ever wondered why it can be so hard to enjoy the simple moments in life? We've all heard someone say, "Live in the present moment." But is it really that easy? What if I told you that this advice might be a bit far from reality? Let's figure out why our own brain sometimes sabotages our attempts to enjoy life. Imagine this. You're at a party, surrounded by friends. Everyone is laughing, and you feel isolated. Why does this happen? It's not by chance. Our brain is wired to constantly look for problems. When we're happy, our brain might start thinking, wait, what if this happiness doesn't last? This paradox makes us suffer from anxiety, hindering our ability to enjoy the present moment. Friends, drop a comment about where you're watching from, and like this if you want to hear the most unexpected thing. Even when everything's perfect, your mind might throw doubts. What if? Meanwhile, thoughts about the future or past can completely overshadow the joy of the present. Sound familiar? We often get so wrapped up in thinking about what was or what will be that we don't realize life is passing us by. Take a simple example, a walk in the park. It's amazing, but instead of just enjoying the fresh air, you might start analyzing how this impacts your life. Am I missing out on something? What will tomorrow bring? Thoughts like these pop up like traps. This internal process is like a roller coaster ride, from thrill to fear in split seconds. So, what do you do with this unpredictable machine called the brain? The first step is to realize that your thoughts don't always reflect reality. Sometimes you just need to stop and listen to yourself. Once you accept this, you can quiet that inner noise and finally enjoy life. But how do you take that step towards peace? One way is practicing gratitude, which helps us focus on the positive. For instance, every evening, jot down at least 3 things that made your day better. It might seem like a simple task, but it's incredibly effective. Because when you start noticing the good, your brain begins to think differently. We tend to focus on the bad, while the good moments quickly fade into the background. You may come to realize that finding joy in moments isn't just a wish, but a necessity for your emotional health. And just like that, when you choose to see the good, your happiness batteries start to recharge. In that moment, you're striving for highs, for a deeper understanding of life. But this is just the beginning of the journey. How exactly do you move forward to achieve true happiness? On this wave, we'll continue our story about overcoming inner barriers and fixing our mindset. In our lives, there are often times when everything seems to go wrong. We can feel overwhelmed, tired, and confused. Why does our brain play such tricks on us? It's a paradox. The more we strive for happiness, the further away it slips. An important point is to realize that our perception of reality can be warped. With each negative experience, we seem to accumulate stamps in our minds. These stamps shape our overly critical attitudes and expectations. Evolution has made it so that we remember bad moments better than good ones. After all, in the wild, only those who remember potential dangers survive. So our brain protects us, but sometimes it overdoes it, becoming our harshest critic. But can this protection turn into a trap for us? Yes, and it's quite likely. Friends, drop a comment about where you're watching us from, and like if you want to know what's most surprising. If we don't start seeing positive things, we remain trapped in old programs. Familiar thoughts and feelings become like old bike wheels, spinning in the same direction. But how do we break free from this? It all starts with a simple realization. First, just allow yourself to feel. Accepting your emotion is the first step to freedom. Even if it's fear, anger, or sadness, they all deserve to exist. Once you realize this, you can start asking yourself questions. What did that negative moment want to tell me? After all, sometimes behind bad emotions, there are important signals guiding us toward growth. This work takes time, but the reward is worth it. Every small shift in mindset brings you closer to true happiness. By doing this, we create a new reality, freeing our minds from old patterns. Imagine your inner critic as an old, unfriendly acquaintance and have a chat with him. Ask him questions. Explain that you no longer want to listen to him. This dialogue could be the start of your transformation. You'll begin to hear your inner voice saying, "I deserve happiness." Next, find simple moments of joy in each day. These moments are little sparks born to ignite your inner fire. Friends, how can we become more grateful for everything we have? Take time to celebrate these fleeting joys. They'll be your vaccine against negativity. These simple acts of gratitude will quickly start to change your perceptions. Have you ever felt how a kind word can change someone's day? Likewise, your inner world will start transforming through these simple practices. One day you'll wake up thinking, "Today is going to be a great day," and those little joys will begin to fill your every day. Once you notice them, your brain will start to reprogram itself to seek happiness in every detail. Your transformation will build up like a snowball, gradually enveloping you. You'll see how your habits, relationships, and even goals start to change. Bit by bit, life will begin to fill with meaning and joy. Open yourself up to possibilities, letting happiness flow into your life. Allow yourself to be happy, for happiness is not a privilege, but a right for everyone. So friends, are you ready to take that step? Start with small steps and watch as your reality changes. In the next part, we'll explore how to rid ourselves of toxic thinking and set constructive goals. But what if I told you that your life could be brighter and richer right now? Indeed, we often miss out on moments of happiness, drowning in worries and concerns. How often have you caught yourself not noticing joy in the little things? Friends, comment below where you're watching us from, and like if you want to find out what's the most unexpected thing. Think about why it's so hard to truly enjoy the moment you're experiencing right now. Often our minds get trapped in the struggle for the future, forgetting about the present. Fear and anxiety rob us of our ability to feel joy. How can we avoid all this? How do we reclaim our happiness here and now? The first step is to accept that mistakes are part of life. Every setback is an opportunity for growth, and that's how we learn. Don't be afraid to feel. Don't run away from your emotions. There's so much beauty in our world. You just need to lift your head and look around. A crucial step towards happiness is gratitude. Write down 3 things every day that you're thankful for. It will help you see the world in brighter colors. Next, connect with people who inspire you and energize you. Sharing emotions is a powerful tool that can change your perspective. Put your energy into something you love. Find a hobby that brings you joy. Let's face it, life is too short to dwell on the insignificant. Every new day is a chance to start over. After all, happiness is a journey, not a destination. Remember, your joy isn't just in big victories, but in everyday life. Allow yourself to laugh, feel, and enjoy those around you. So, let's take a step towards happiness today. Open your heart to the little joys that surround us. Be sure to capture those genuine moments as they make life brighter. And remember, you're not alone on this path. Together we can create a world filled with happiness. Let's get started right now, because the future is what we create today.